matatag ang tao na magpapaulan ng blessing para sa deserving students na bibigyan ngayon ng hindi ko ma-express ang kasiyahan. Tawagin po natin si Honorable Roylo Goles para sa Dolores Solis Goles Academic Excellence Award with cash prizes. Together with the Councilor Bing Solis, may sasabihin po siya bago niya i-award ang cash prize. Sir, do you have a message for the EPNs?
Well, thank you very much. I'm here standing on behalf of the Goles family in memory of my late mother, Dolores Solis Goles, who died very recently. She's of course a native of this town, Romblon. She even served as a public school teacher in the elementary school. And one of the legacies that she left behind as far as my family is concerned is education. Talagang binigyan niya ng importansya ang edukasyon. Kaya kaming 5 mga anak ay inalalayan niya para matyak na mahusay ang edukasyon na aming tinanggap. By the way, I stand here as Congressman of Paranaque on behalf of my family, but I would like to also tell you that I'm also a native of Romblon. Dito niya ako pinanganak. Para sa akin, ay napakalaga na edukasyon. Kaya ang pangalan ko ay Roylo. Yung nanay ko ay taga-Romblon. Dito ako pinanganak sa Romblon. Yung tatay ko taga-Iloilo. Pinagsama nila yung pangalan ng 2 probinsya, Romblon at Iloilo. Ang resulta, Roylo. Roylo Goles. And to the graduates, you are facing very exciting times. Nasa kamay nyo ang inyong kinabukasan. But I'm very sure that Looc National High School has prepared you well for the challenges ahead. Alam ko na talagang hinanda kayo ng gusto sapagkat napakahusay ng pamamahala nitong eskwelahan nito sa pamumuno ng principal na si Noel Joseph Machon. And I would like to congratulate them. I'd like to congratulate, of course, the municipal mayor, Juliet Pierre. Dahil siyempre, nagsusuporta ang mayor. Gusto ko rin i-congratulate ang superintendent of schools na si Eve Pahutal. Yes, Pahutal. Unang maganda yung mensahe niya at alam ko napakahusay din ang pamamahala niya ng division of the province of Romblon. Of course, my congratulations also to the governor, the ever-supportive governor, Jojo Beltran of and finally, of course, I would like to congratulate my colleague, Congressman Madrona, si Budoy Madrona, who is holding one of the most sensitive chairmanships in the House of Representatives. Napaka-importante ng kanyang papel. We've been together for quite a long time. We even handled a very important committee, the Committee on Account. Kami magkasama ng third term namin. 4 na termino na kami na magkasama ni Congressman Budoy Madrona. And I would like to tell you na napaka-maswerte ng probinsya ng Romblon sa pagkakaroon ng isang napakahusay at napaka-outstanding na Congressman Budoy Madrona. So, ito pong award nito ay binibigay namin sa 3 sets ng valedictorian at salutatorian. Ito yung Dolores Solis Goles Award. Para sa valedictorian, 10,000 pesos. At para sa salutatorian, 5,000 pesos. Yan po ay galing sa pamilya ng nasirang Dolores Solis Goles para makatulong sa pag-aaral ng ating valedictorian
the